Hey everyone, Cody and Lindsay here. Our belief at Treeline is that smaller homes designed with clear intention can elevate how people live and work. Today we're breaking down phase one of our two-phase process, which includes design, planning, and pricing.
This initial phase is where we learn exactly what you want to build, what the city will allow on your property, and what upgrades we'll need to make it your site. When we say site, we mean your property or lot. There are multiple underground and overhead utility connections, such as power and sewer, that we need to consider at each site. We can build the same structure at two different locations and have drastically different site requirements, so this is a super important piece.
When people reach out to us, they're in a variety of stages of the planning process. Some have no idea what they want and just need a rough ballpark estimate and help examining what's even possible. Others come to us with a list of fixtures and materials they love, maybe even with a design drawn on the back of a napkin.
And we also have clients who come to us after working with an architect or drafter for months, handing us a full set of construction plans. Ultimately, a full set of construction plans is required, but we can help you get to that point. In this video, we'll assume you don't yet have construction plans. It doesn't really matter where you're starting from. We can formulate a path with you for the next steps.
That said, if you haven't done any design work yet, we find it incredibly helpful and cost-effective if we're part of the design work from day one. It lets us get to know you and your project in detail and allows us to draft the design documents with a practical building perspective in mind.
When we talk about this phase, we're focusing heavily on three building blocks. One, the floor plan concept. This maps out how you actually move through the inside of the home. It's where we make sure the kitchen and living room areas flow naturally, that doors don't swing into each other, and that a smaller footprint feels open and comfortable rather than cramped. Two is the exterior elevations or 3D perspectives. This is a flat look at the outside walls. It shows us exactly what the building will look like from the yard, helping us design a beautiful roofline and place windows intentionally for privacy. Three is the site plan. This is our logistical blueprint. It shows exactly where the ADU sits on your lot in relation to property lines, the main house, and any trees, where we will trench underground utility lines, and where any parking, pathways, or fencing will be.
This phase is a small investment and might seem a little counterintuitive to spend money before you even know the final construction numbers, but it is well worth it. If you don't have an accurate design, you cannot get an accurate price from any builder. You can design in a variety of ways. You could hire an independent architect, drafter, or building designer, or you could work directly with a design build firm like us. Whichever route you choose, just make sure the design documents are yours to keep, even if you decide to head in a different direction down the road.
Once we've got the design documents, we take that specific info to our local trade partners and material suppliers. We calculate labor, materials, equipment, admin costs, as well as city permits, fees, and everything else.
Our final contract price includes everything it takes to transform your property from what it is now into your new ADU. Investing in this phase upfront gives us a much stronger foundation for accurate pricing and a significantly smoother construction process for both you and us.
Head on over to our website to request a consultation, and let's go take a look at your property.
Thanks for listening, everybody. Take care.